Hey, how you guys all doing? Today's episode of I'm gonna show you how to cook an international food called Kabsah. I'm originally from Saudi Arabia and this is a really main dish and it's cooked 3 or 4 times a week. Guys, let's get started. Let's get to the fun time. So all we have is I have the goat's meat and also the rice. Of course, we a little bit wash it and a little bit spices, black pepper, salt, and also some traditional spices from back home, and also the fruits. And the fruits and vegetable you can add whatever. What do you think? It's really good. Here we go, we're gonna start the fire. And then we're gonna have it in a 350, probably around 350-ish. We're gonna add a little bit of oil on it. And then after heating up a little bit of oil, we could add the onion chops on it. Now we're gonna add the chopped tomatoes on it. Alright, now we're gonna start to add the meat on it. A little bit of garlic on it. And then I'm gonna start with the spices right afterwards. Now we're gonna close it, and it's supposed to be pressure relief. Okay, right after we make sure everything is good on it, we just try to add the rice on it.